I welcome to all of you to SPIC J2 online classes. This is Manoj Avasthi, and in this class we will study some rules pertaining to changing of direct speech to indirect speech. In the previous class I told you that there is an exception in grammar in direct speech whenever reporting verb RV given in past tense. In that condition, the tense of the reported speech is not changed. Why? If any universal truth, any simple truth, if any habit, any fact, any historical fact or any proverb given inside the reported speech, the tense of the reported speech will not be changed. This is the exception. ये अपवाद है, और अपवाद वो होता है जो किसी नियम को पालन नहीं करता है. तो डायरेक्ट से इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच चेंज करते समय इस अपवाद को हमें बखूबी समझना होगा कि अगर यूनिवर्सल ट्रुथ या शाश्वत सत्य दिया है रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में, या कोई शाश्वत सत्य दिया है, सरल सत्य दिया है, कोई स्वभाव की बात दी गई है, कोई तथ्यपरक बात दी गई है, कोई ऐतिहासिक घटना या दस्तावेज दिया हुआ है, या कोई कहावत जो सत्य सच्चाई पर आधारित होती है, इन सभी सूरत में डायरेक्ट स्पीच का जो रिपोर्टेड स्पीच होता है उसका टेंस चेंज नहीं किया जाता है. तो ये आपने पिछली क्लास में आपने सीखा था. इसके आगे हम लोग अब टेंस चेंजिंग समझेंगे. स्टूडेंट्स, टेंस चेंजिंग के तहत जो फर्स्ट रूल आता है, रूल नंबर फर्स्ट, उसका मतलब है आरवी जब भी पास्ट टेंस में दिया जाएगा, आरवी गिवन इन पास्ट टेंस, द आरएस मीन्स रिपोर्टेड स्पीच विल बी आल्सो इन पास्ट टेंस. मीन्स ट्यूनिंग दोनों की सेम होनी चाहिए. अगर रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब पास्ट टेंस की है तो रिपोर्टेड स्पीच भी पास्ट टेंस का जब होगा तभी सेंटेंस का एक सही सेंस, एक सही अर्थ निकलेगा. इसलिए आरवी पास्ट में होने पर आरएस को भी पास्ट में करना होगा. अब अगर आरवी पास्ट की है और आरएस यानी रिपोर्टेड स्पीच प्रेजेंट में दिया है तो उसे भी आपको पास्ट टेंस में कन्वर्ट करना होगा. अब इसके तहत कौन कौन से टेंसेस में चेंज होता है वो हम लोग सीखेंगे. सिंपल प्रेजेंट, पहले रूल के अकॉर्डिंग सिंपल प्रेजेंट को सिंपल पास्ट में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. Students, you know very well how to identify simple present tense. If verb first form given in the sentence, then we are sure that this is simple present tense. So verb's first form will be changed into verb second form while changing indirect speech. And if helping verb do or does given, do or does helping verbs are the helping verbs of simple present tense, they will be changed into did. So this is the process in which we can change simple present into simple past tense. Next, टेंसेस में चेंज किस तरह से होता है आप आगे देखिएगा. प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस, प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस कैन बी चेंज इनटू पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस. स्टूडेंट्स, यू नो how we can identify present continuous tense. If helping verb is and am are given and are helping verb given, these helping verbs are pertaining to present continuous tense. So is and am helping verbs are similar, that's why they will be converted into was, and are helping verb is plural, that's why it will be converted into were. So this is the process in which we can change present continuous tense into past continuous tense. There are some tenses remaining in which we will have change into tense. Next number, present perfect tense. If present perfect tense given in the sentence, it will be changed into past perfect tense. Students, you know how can we identify present perfect tense? If helping verb has or have given in the sentence, we are sure that this is present perfect tense. So has and have both will be changed into had. And this is the process in which we can change present perfect into past perfect tense. Next, present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous will be changed into past perfect continuous. How can we identify present perfect continuous? Helping verb has been or have been are given. Has been, have been. Helping verbs are given in present perfect continuous tense. They will be changed into had been. And in this way, we can change this present perfect continuous tense into past perfect continuous tense. There are two tenses in past tense in which we have some changes. Past tense also changed while changing from direct to indirect speech. Simple past. Simple past tense, you know its name is also past indefinite tense. Simple past tense can be changed into past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. How can we identify simple past if verb second form given or helping verb did given? Both things are identification of simple past. So they will be converted into past perfect continuous, means past perfect tense means had plus verb third form will be written. Had plus verb third form. You can say past participle form of the verb will be used with had. And last tense past continuous. Past continuous tense will be changed into past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous. Past continuous helping verbs are was, were. Both auxiliary verbs will be changed into had been. And in this way, we can change past continuous tense into past perfect continuous tense. Students, these were some rules pertaining to tense changing in direct and indirect speech. In the next classes, we will study it in assertive pronoun changing.